How to share a Spotify account with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Spotify account with friends. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, what you can do is just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on your profile name. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, then what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen below your profile name. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on share. And now here, once you tap on the share button, here you can have multiple options to share your profile. So here you can copy your profile link and send it to your friends, or you can choose any social media's app to share it directly. So here what you can do is just select the platform where you want to send your Spotify account, and there you can just select the friend you want to send it to, and there you can just tap send, and that's it. That's how you can share your Spotify profile with your friends. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.